everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and let me share with you how to enable automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and tap on About Phone. Here we've got the MIUI version, and we have to focus on that for a while because it will allow us to open the developer options in which we will find the option we're looking for. So all you have to do here is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, we've got this info. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm your step. So after activating the developer options, we have to go back to the general settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Let's enter. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and enter developer options, and here let's scroll until we will find automatic system updates option. As you can see, in my case this option is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and since this option is active, your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not have to do it manually, just remember about restarting your device. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to allow automatic system updates in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.